everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix black desktop background in your Windows machine. Now, a black desktop background in Windows is a common glitch often caused by accessibility settings, corrupted files, or outdated drivers. So here are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and restart Windows Explorer to resolve temporary glitches. To do this, you can do a right click on the Start button and go to the Task Manager by clicking on the Task Manager from the list. Now, once you're on the Task Manager, you will have to go to Processes and you will have to locate for Windows Explorer. In case if you don't locate or if you have difficulties in locating Windows Explorer, you can click on the Search tab and locate for and type Windows Explorer. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on Restart. What this will do is this will go and end the Windows Explorer process, and for a brief period you would have your blank screen and also the taskbar would disappear, and then you should have your taskbar and the desktop back. Once this is done, you may close this and check if your background has been restored. Now, in case if your background has been restored, you don't need to try the next step. Now, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and check the accessibility settings. To do this, you can go to the search window and type Ctrl. This should give you the best match for the control panel. Double click on the control panel. Once you're on the control panel, make sure you're on the large icon or a small icon view. And under this, you will have to, or you can locate for Ease of Access Center. You can click on it. Once you're on the Ease of Access Center, you will have to locate for Make the Computer Easier to See. Click on it, and in this you will have to locate for Make Things on the Screen Easier to See. Make sure you have the box unchecked for Remove Background Images where available. Once this is done, you may click on Apply and then click on OK. Close this window. Once this is done, you may go ahead and do a right click and then click on Refresh and check if your desktop background has been restored. So this should ideally restore your desktop background. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and delete the transcoded wallpaper file in the themes folder. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Run. In the Run window, you may go to the path from my video description and paste it here, and then click on OK. So this should ideally take you to the themes folder. Under this, you will have to locate for transcoded wallpaper. You can do a right click and then click on Delete. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you should have your desktop background restored in your Windows machine. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.